Hello friends, how are you? Are you also coming to Dubai Security Guard Shop? Okay. Today in this video I am going to tell you that 1800 salary में means 1800 सैलरी में आना चाहिए या नहीं दुबई में. Okay. Today I will tell you that questions or that topics answer in this video. But before start my topic, अगर आप पहली बार मेरी चैनल में है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनललाई सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला. मुझको प्लीज सपोर्ट कर दो. ओके, नॉट टू डिले नाउ, लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक और वीडियो. तो दुबई में 1800 सैलरी में आना चाहिए या नहीं, ये बात समझने से पहले आपको दुबई का सैलरी जानना मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. यस, मीन्स यू मस्ट नो द दुबई सैलरी. आई थिंक 1800 salary is medium salary, middle salary of Dubai, because some companies are giving also 1500 salary, 1600 salary, 1700 salary, and this 1800, then 1900 also, means 1920, or less than 1800 and more than 1700. That types of also salary you can get in Dubai. 2000 salary, 2100, 2200 or 2250, 60 or more than it also in Dubai. And you must know that also in Dubai there are so many companies, means many companies in Dubai, security guard companies. So always try to come in best security guard company, good security guard company, where you can get more salary. Yes, means more than 1800 salary. If you are coming in 1800 salary, think that is not 26 days. That salary is up to 30 days or 31 days. Yes. But in good company, if you work 31 days, you can get salary more than 2300. Yes. In Dubai, I am not telling in PSBD security guard salary. It is more good because PSBD security guard start from 2700 and maximum salary goes up to 3200. It is far better good than Dubai's salary. So now you can decide yourself in 1800 you come or not, because I have seen that सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के जॉब के लिए नेपाल में ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है, ज़्यादा पैसा तीरना पड़ता है. In other countries more, in Bangladesh, Pakistan, in India little less. तो ज़्यादा पैसा सैलरी पैसा देके क्यों 1800 सैलरी देने वाला कंपनी में आएंगे? इससे बेहतर और भी कंपनी है ना. जब सेम आपको 3 लाख to 4 लाख अगर पैसा तीरना पड़ता है तो क्यों ना 2000 से ऊपर वाला सैलरी में आने से ठीक होगा. Yes, means my conclusion is If you pay more amount, come in good security guard company. And my advice, suggestion, don't come in 1,800 salary. Yes, because in Dubai nowadays, if you buy anything, it's very costly comparatively to our poor country. Yes. Here the things are very expensive. So if you come in 1,800 salary, you cannot save more money. And if you cannot save more money, तो सिक्योरिटी गार्ड में आने से कुछ फायदा नहीं है 1800 सैलरी में. सो एटलीस्ट 2000 होना चाहिए. जिस कंपनी के डिमांड में, नाउ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, जिस कंपनी के डिमांड में 2000 लास्ट में लिखा होता है और इससे ज्यादा, ट्राई इन दैट कंपनी एंड कम in that company. Yes or no? Okay, this video is only this much. Again, my request, please subscribe my channel. And if this video is helpful to you, like this video also and share this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.